Hello students, today we are going to start new topic tunnel section. This topic is covered from unit number 8, section D. Students, this topic is only important for theory purpose as per MDU exams, not in numericals. So students, let's see introduction part and the type of tunnel sections in this lecture number 12. So let's start with the introduction part of the tunnels. So first we see the what is the tunnel. It is an underground or underwater passageway dug through the surrounding soil oblique earth oblique rock. They could be used for carrying freight and passenger, water, sewage, etc. A tunnel may be for foot or vehicular road traffic, for rail traffic, or for a canal. Right. Secret tunnels are built for military purposes and specially tunnels such as wildlife crossing are built to allowing wildlife to cross human-made barriers safely. The method involved are underground operation known as tunnel driving and surface is not disturbed. So students, here we see the tunnel for the different purposes and any structure. What is a tunnel? Any structure passing underground or underwater passageway, that is a tunnel, that is surrounding by soil, earth, or rock. Right. So here we see the tunnels for various purposes. So you can read this. Now we see the reason to build a tunnel. First reason is when a lane encounter an obstacle such as a mountain to avoid bypassing the obstacle. Right. And second reason is build sometime to overcome a water obstacle as a replacement for building a bridge above it. Okay. Next is built to connect between military posts so the movement between them will not be visible for the enemy. Sometimes built for infrastructure like electricity, cable, water, communication, and sewage to avoid damage and disruption above ground. Now we see the tunneling method. Tunneling method depends on ground conditions, also depend on the groundwater conditions and the length and diameter of tunnel drive, the depth of tunnels, logistic of supporting the tunnel excavation, and the final use and shape of tunnel and appropriate risk. Okay, that's fact on this points from the we use the different that's points depends on the method of tunnel which method will be used for tunneling. So we remember these points how मेन पॉइंट ये था ग्राउंड कंडीशन विच टाइप ऑफ ग्राउंड रॉकी ग्राउंड है आपका या आपका सॉफ्ट सोइल ग्राउंड है राइट और ग्राउंड वाटर कंडीशन क्या है आपकी कितना वाटर टेबल आप है क्या है राइट कितने डायमीटर का हमें टनल ड्राइव करना है क्या लेंथ रहेगी डेप्थ ऑफ टनल कितना रहना है लॉजिस्टिक और जो ठीक है जो लॉजिस्टिक ऑफ सपोर्टिंग द टनल एक्सेशन क्या है तो ये सारे पॉइंट्स हमें ये या हमें सारे पॉइंट्स को याद रखते हुए हमें मेथड यूज करना है कि कौन सा मेथड इज हमारे लिए स्टेबल रहेगा टनलिंग के लिए राइट नाउ सी द एडवांटेज ऑफ टनलिंग टनल आर मोर इकोनॉमिकल देन ओपन कट बियॉन्ड certain depth right tunnels are more economical than open cut beyond the certain depth and tunnels avoid disturbing or interfering with surface life and traffic during construction. Tunnel proved to be cheaper than bridge or open cut to carry public utility services like water, sewer, and gas. Right. If tunnel are provided with easy gradient, the cost of hauling is decreased. Hauling मतलब drag force, मतलब vehicles जो भी pulling force लगाते हैं जो है that will be decreased, right? In case of aerial warfare and bombing of cities, the tunnel would grant better protection as compared to bridges. Okay, part of tunnel you can see here. Part of tunnel, this part is called crown, the top part is crown, and this is the side part that is called side of the tunnels, and this is the inward part, right? This is the inward part, and this is called, and this part is called bench. Okay, here you see the, at the time of tunneling you see the different points. This is the initial ground surface, right? Here this is the facing of tunneling, ठीक है? That is, this is called portal. This is called portal, and this is the covered, ठीक है? This is the permanent lining. यहाँ से हम लाइनिंग करते हुए टनल लाइनिंग करते हुए इसको कवर करते जाएंगे. That is the cover by the permanent lining. Lining will be the reinforcement concrete की भी हो सकती है, ठीक है? Simply concrete की भी हो सकती है. And this is the temporary lining, and this is the unsupported lining, and this is the advanced step for digging, right? तो ऐसे हमारा चलता जाएगा, टनलिंग चलती जाएगी, और इधर से हम जो फिनिशिंग स्टेप है वो करते आएंगे, ठीक है? दैट इज द इनवर्ट पॉइंट हीप, दिस वन इज, एंड दिस वन इज द फेस, right? Now we discuss about the shape of tunnel. So first we discuss about the circular shape. This type of section offer greater resistance to external pressure. If ground is highly unstable, such as soft clay or sand, it is necessary to use circular section, right? Where we use the circular section, where the ground will be soft, right? Or external pressure is high. For carrying water and sewage, circulation safe tunnel are used. Example, aqueduct. Okay. Circular tunnel are not preferred as traffic tunnel. Okay, circular tunnel not prefer as traffic tunnel. You can see here circular tunnel. This is part A is the lining part which will be made by the concrete, and this part is called excavation lining. Right, this is excavation lining, and this is the concrete lining, and the tunnel radius is the R. Next is the elliptical section. They are used in grounds compare than rock. जो elliptical section है that is most preferred in a ground as compared to rock area. So these tunnels serve as water sewage conditions. They are difficult construction obviously इसकी shape ऐसी है तो उसमें difficulty तो होगी. They cannot be used as traffic tunnels because of their narrow base. So this is the elliptical tunnel. यहाँ पे ट्रैफिक तो मूव कर नहीं सकते तो हमारा जनरली सीवेज वगैरह इनके लिए यूज कर सकते हैं. Now we see the second section of the tunnels, X shape. So these sections have narrow cross section at bottom. They are best suited for carrying sewage. X shape हमने पढ़ा था, ठीक है? तो सीवेज में यूज करते थे. They maintain self cleansing velocity of flow of sewage both in dry and rainy season. They are resist external as well as internal pressure due to their circular walls. These tunnels are difficult to construct. Okay, you can see here X-shape tunnels, and this section is less width, so that they cannot be used for the traffic. It is used for the only sewage. So due to this, the cleansing velocity is maintained. Next is the horse soil section. This form consists of a semicircular roof together with arch shape and a curve inverted. They are most popular. air traffic tunnel for road and railway routes. You can see here, this is the horse. ये हमारा कौन सा है, सर्कुलर पोर्शन यूज किया गया है यहाँ पे, राइट। हियर वी यूज ए सर्कुलर पोर्शन एंड दिस इज द हॉर्स है। ठीक है, यहाँ पे देख सकते हो, ये आपका पेमेंट के लिए, जो रोड के लिए इजीली यूज कर सकते हैं, रोड ट्रैफिक के लिए। ठीक है, देखिए यहाँ पे देखिए, राइट। तो दिस इज द बेटर फॉर द ट्रैफिक यूज। जनरली यही शेप यूज करते हैं हम। These tunnel are also difficult to construct. Okay, so you can see here. तो स्टूडेंट्स, ये हमने डिफरेंट टाइप ऑफ शेप पढ़ा दी। हम जो जनरली यूज करते हैं, ये हॉर्स सेक्शन ही यूज करते हैं टनल का फॉर ट्रैफिक के लिए। ठीक है, रेलवे ट्रैफिक और जो रोड ट्रैफिक होता है। तो हियर वी सीन वेरियस टाइप ऑफ सेक्शन ऑफ टनल। तो now we start to see important point of tunnel. In this lecture, so start with the tunnels. Tunnels is the structure which is underground structure, so we the surrounding by soil, earth and rock, right? हाईवे टनलिंग का आप यदि बोलोगे, डिफाइन द हाईवे टनलिंग, सो दैट विल बी यूज फॉर द ओनली फॉर द passage of traffic, right? You can say if you use the only terms of tunnels, so tunnels is used to passing the underwater passageway, right, or through the surrounding soil or rocks, right? So here we see the various type of tunnels for use the various purposes, military purposes, sewage, water, passengers, right? So, and here we see the region of built tunnels. If we passing the if we passing some passing to the obstacle for the passenger or traffic, or you can say road users, so we use the tunnels. You can also the use fly, or you can say bridge, but some cases the tunnel is stable than to the bridge, so use the tunnels in case of obstacle for construction of road, so that is stable. Sometimes tunnel cost is less to the bridge, so tunnel is stable. Here we see the tunnel methods. Tunnel methods depend upon the ground condition, water condition, groundwater condition, tunnel depth, और क्या कितनी हमें डायामीटर की टनल से ड्राइव करनी है, लेंथ क्या होगी टनल्स की, तो आपके सारे फैक्टर्स पे डिपेंड करेगी कि कौन सा मेथड हम टनल्स का यूज करें, टनलिंग के लिए यूज करें। ठीक है, एडवांटेज ऑफ टनल्स। एडवांटेज ऑफ टनल्स में मैंने बता दिया है कि वो आपका जो जो लाइफ है उसको डिस्टर्ब नहीं करेगी, जो सरफेस लाइफ है उसको डिस्टर्बिंग नहीं करेगी। तो दैट इज द मेन इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट ऑफ द टनल। और टनलिंग करने से कभी हमारा जो पैसेज है वो काफ़ी शॉर्ट टाइमिंग हो जाता है, सो दैट्स वी सेव time and money also, right? Part of tunnel, here we see crown side bench invert. Okay, shape of tunnels, here we see the circular shape, which is not stable for the traffic, but is stable for the uh, aqueduct passage of water. You can say aqueduct passage of water, and also that is used for the soft uh, ground conditions, or where we exert the high external pressure on tunnels. And here you can see the tunnels. Next section is the elliptical tunnel. So elliptical section is the also not used for the traffic. This is used for the water sewage conditions, right? This is difficult to construct. X shape section is it is also difficult to construct, and this is also used for the sewage. And for the traffic usage, only use the horseway section. That is a most preferred section for the traffic use. Uh, this is a popular section, right? So you can see here horseway section of tunnels, right? So students, thank you.